Hello everyone, welcome into this channel, and today I want to share the tutorial how to sign up on Google Chat by iPhone or iOS. So first thing we're going to do is go into the Google Chat applications here, and let's open the application first. Wait until we are generated into the first page, and just following the tutorials that Google Chat gave to us. Let's get started. And now we already generated into the manage account, which means that we have to manage what account that we will use for this Google Chat. So for me, I want to use my account for this, and after that, after we're done, just click done. And now don't forget to just following the next instruction, like allowing Google Chat to give you notifications. And now you already sign up into this Google Chat. You can see here, if you want to sign up with another account, you can just go into add another account, and the phone or the application will help you to give you information what to do for the next. You just need to sign by giving your email and password on it. So that's all for today's tutorial. Don't forget to leave some comment, like, and subscribe into this channel if you find out this video is quite useful for you.